That's right. Good. That's right with Toby. Keep your outside rein. Good. Think about on these circles, the outside rein is the more important one.
Okay.
Okay? Because we want to keep his shoulders and ride in line in making the turn. Yeah. Good with nice.
Good dog.
Good. So if you ride with your rein about 4 inches shorter and your hands more here, I think you'll find your balance a bit easier.
Okay.
That's okay. Okay, do we feel like we have reins a little bit better on our horses?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to pick them up into a trot. We're going to keep them both up to a trot.
Or canter.
We're going to ride a big figure of 8. So a big circle down this end of the arena, head towards the orange cone, and a big circle the other way. Shorten your reins again, Lauren. Hands out in front of you.
Wow, I'm really glad that didn't freak out my horse.
Yeah.